Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary from Mary's Kitchen MTL. In this video I will show you how to make vanilla lemon butter cookies. These are the ingredients you will need. You will need a piping bag and a 17mm star tip. Add the softened butter to your stand mixer bowl. Add the sifted powdered sugar and attach the paddle. Beat on low then medium speed for 5 minutes until light and creamy. Add the egg, lemon zest, and vanilla extract. Continue beating. Scrape down the sides of the bowl, beat for 5 minutes until smooth. Add the salt and sifted flour. Mix on low then medium speed for 5 to 8 minutes until the dough is well combined and smooth. Transfer the dough to a piping bag fitted with a large star tip. Pipe the cookies onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. You can shape these cookies any way you like. I'm shaping mine round. Chill the piped cookies in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes until lightly golden around the edges. These cookies are buttery and rich, zesty and not too sweet. The vanilla adds a nice aroma, making them irresistibly delicious. Allow the cookies to cool, then dust with powdered sugar. These cookies can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days. They can be frozen for up to 2 months. I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more recipes.